Alrighty, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are back at Cache of the Creek here in Grove City, Minnesota. Today is Friday. We're actually here testing before the main event tomorrow. Not sure if we're actually going to get it in because it is looking like rain. And of course, this is the makeup event for what was actually supposed to happen last, I think, July. We're going to get the car fired up here, get some heat in the motor, and then go down and make our first test pass of the day, and hopefully we can get some good data so we can go some rounds tomorrow.
No, I don't have a trans brake.
You don't have a trans brake at all?
Can you hear it? Click. Wiggle the wires once.
What's up? You know reverse? No trans brake at all.
Really? Can you hear it?
I just hear you clicking the button. That's it.
Get it back and gotta be on something electrical.
Solenoid might be stuck or something. I don't know.
You want to push back and work on it back there, or what do you want to do?
I'm gonna have
Those
to.
guys
I
can go if
guess.
they can get out.
Yeah. You got power down there, Bri?
Yeah. Everything's good there.
Do it again. Try it once again to see.
You want me to click it?
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely moved when You doing it?
Yeah. Nothing.
All right, let me unhook it. All right, try it.
That works.
God, that is weird, Brian.
Is there a screwed up wire? Or a connector?
Well, I had to unplug it and plug it back in again to get it to go. Hit it, CJ.
Now it's working.
Hit it. I have no idea, dude. That's.
I mean, maybe. Rock under there? Nope.
Oh, you want to get my glasses?
I don't know, man.
So basically what happened was trans brake wasn't working or something with an electrical issue. Got up there, tried to put it in reverse, and trans brake didn't activate, so we went back, took the pan off, drained all the fluid out of it, and now we hopefully got it fixed. So first pass, I think we're only going to do a 330 hit, so just about half track. The track's really good right now, we got really good air, so it's hopefully going to be a pretty good pass here. Alrighty, here we go. Second time's the charm. We got reverse. That's good news. A little bit. Got a little loose past the 60, but so first pass was really good actually. We put a very spicy tune-up in it and it took it. Track is actually very good versus what we're used to. Good air right now. It's during the day. What else did he do?
Well, he drove it down the track.
Yep, there you go.
He
drove it down the track. So this next one we gave it even more, but I think it's gonna be another 330 pass. Brian's kind of lazy; he doesn't want to pack the chutes, so we're just gonna make 330s. But we're gonna go back up here in another probably 5 minutes and make another pass. You're good, Brian. Here we go. Pass number 2 for the day. Gave it a little bit more. Hopefully she goes down. The track's really good right now.
got a
did?
preload in the suspension.
Ooh. It made it out further, I think, before it went left this time, though.
Yeah, but it's more power. It's just going to drive to the
Yeah.
left.
Holy crap.
Yeah, starting to feel fast.
Yeah, just starting to feel fast now.
Yeah, it is. Wow. Just starting.
Alrighty, so we're heading up for the third pass now. As you guys just saw, the second one went pretty good. Car is driving left a little bit, so we made a little bit of a chassis change in the back. Hopefully we can get it to go straight. So we're just kind of making some smaller adjustments. I do believe he did add another degree of timing for this pass, so it should be even faster if we can still get the car to go down straight A to B. It's just having a little bit of issues. Going left a little bit, right outside the 60. So hopefully this pass a little bit better. We're just gonna try to keep getting faster and faster. Yeah! Oh, I'm so excited to see what that is. Go
Get it.
As soon as that thing went straight, I knew he was driving through it.
Holy sh! That was fast. Oh my God.
Wow. Dude.
That was
I
fast.
heard you yell at the thing.
Yeah.
I heard like a woo.
I had to stay in it. It felt too.
Oh, we knew. Dude, as soon as it went straight, I'm like, he is not getting out of that thing.
Nice job, dude.
That is fun. That is fun.
Nice. That's
Honestly,
awesome. I think it was fast.
Cause I'm 10.
All right, you're good to go.
All right, let's go, baby.
All right, good luck, sister. Alrighty, pass number 4. Last pass was really good. Looking for something similar here. It's not driving left anymore, so hopefully it can go a little bit more straight. We did a little bit more of adjustment here. So we'll see what she does. Driving left a tiny bit. Alright, we got our last pass coming up for today's little test session for tomorrow. Not exactly sure if we're going to be able to run tomorrow. tomorrow with the forecast. It's looking like heavy rain. We're very happy with what we've got. The track is really good. Weather's been really good. But yeah, we put a little bit more rear steer in it this pass, turned it up a little bit. So hopefully get that little left, kind of that left turn out of it right out of the 60 foot. So we're looking to go a little bit faster in this one, and then that will wrap it up for today for us. Hopefully we get to race tomorrow. Tomorrow's the actual Cache the Creek event. But yeah, if not, that would be sad. So we're gonna make our last pass here coming up. Hopefully we can get down. Got the sun setting. Beautiful day for some testing. Brian's making his last run right here. Dude, you can hear it on the two-step, just a difference.
Yeah, it's getting angry now. Dang, dude. That's getting it done.
Alright, so that was the last pass of today. Today was a very, very successful test day. Got a lot more data. We're glad we came here and tested for today because we know people are getting faster on this track. So hopefully tomorrow we can get the event in if it doesn't rain. Forecast is not looking promising, but we'd really like to hopefully get this last makeup event in because this is probably our last race of the season. So with that being said, hope to see you guys tomorrow for the main event at Cache the Creek event number 3. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Peace.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.